Hello everybody, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I'm going to be unboxing the newest Papercraft Society box. This is box number 22 and it is by Helen Griffin of Simply Made Crafts. Now there has been a slight delay in receiving this box due to the pandemic. So if you enjoy this unboxing, definitely keep your eyes on the channel because there is a high probability that within the next couple of weeks I will be unboxing number 22. So for today, let's do this box here. Now, first of all, can I just say how much I love the outside of this box? I think it is stunning. I love the contrasting colours and the roses. I just love the whole look of the box, but it's also been done to look like a suitcase. Look, there's the handle. And then obviously that is the side. I just think it is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So I'm definitely going to keep this box. I will find a use for it somehow. Not sure what that will be yet. I may even just fussy cut the flowers to use in my journal or on other projects, but I just think this box, just the outside of the box, is stunning. So I cannot wait to see what is inside the box. I have seen on Helen's channel that this kit is going to make a mini album, because although I don't watch the unboxings of these ahead of time really, obviously I keep an eye on other people's channels, and I have seen Helen did a how to assemble video. So without any more blethering, let's get into the box. So the first thing we always have on the lid is a note from the creator, and Helen has said, "I love making mini albums, so I'm delighted to bring you this beautiful box of memory keeping supplies." So here is a stunning wallet, and here is the box of goodies, and we also have a leaflet to claim a free gift, but I do believe it's the free gift that we were given ahead of time because of the delay in the box. So I will put that to one side. Now, in the last unboxing I did, I asked if you wanted me to start with the tissue paper or whether you wanted me to start with the wallet, and the overriding consensus was always start with the wallet. So let's put the tissue paper to one side. Isn't that gorgeous? It's not my normal style, I have to say. And then inside, look, it's the peachy colours with the beautiful flowers and the I'm going to stop going on about this now, but I really do love that wallet. So we have memory making made easy, and what we have is a die set to make a mini album. Now I may have seen that Helen's done a video on how to assemble this, but I haven't actually watched it yet, so I don't know how this all goes together. I'm guessing that one there is like a front cover type thing, and that will be maybe a binding. I love this little photo frame die, that is adorable. We have a rose that looks like it layers there. We have the tag. That is going to be super useful. I've literally just got into making mini albums and stuff in the last few weeks. I'm working on my second now, so that will be really helpful. I like that a lot. So that is the die set. As I said, I'm not convinced I know how to use it exactly yet, but I'm sure I will find out. Okay, next up, have you caught the mini album bug yet? Funnily enough, only just. Now my pocket is slightly broken, but honestly, it's not the end of the world. So let's have a look at this stamp set. It hopefully is standing out okay because it's on the purple. So we have this really cute suitcase. I like this scripty writing here, and then we have Some nice sentiments, always together, never apart, maybe in distance but never in heart. That's lovely. New places, new dreams, new memories. Special friend, good luck on your new adventure. Do you know, this kit would have been amazing if it had come like a month and a bit ago, because I could have used this for Jeanette's farewell card, but hey ho. We have a place photo here, stamp. We've got a France letter, a London one, Canada. Really nice stamp set. It's really, really cute. Definitely looking forward to playing with that. I really like that. Okay, let's see what is up next. So it says, mini albums make the perfect gifts. And let's see what's in here. Funnily enough, the two I have been making are for gifts. What are these? They look like you can maybe stencil them. Like, they feel almost, I don't know, wooden? I don't know what they're made of. They've got a really strange texture. They're smooth, but I don't know, it feels like it's, I don't know. It's mirror board on the back. I guess you could stencil these. I'm not sure. I'll have to look in the booklet that comes with the kit. Those are really unusual. I do quite like those, I have to say. They are different, and I like different. So let's grab these out and have a look. So these are the papers that we always get with the boxes. So we have two blue. They've got like travel stamps on them as well, which is really cool. Oh, look how beautiful that is. That's my favourite. But I think you knew I was going to say that before I even said it. And oh look, we have like little tags. Those are so cute. Those are beautiful. I like those a lot. And then we have this one. Not so fussed about that one. I'll be honest, I prefer the other ones. But it's, you know, it'll get used. It's fine. So those are the papers. So that was everything that was in the wallet. So let's break into the tissue paper. I love that we get tissue paper every month because you can definitely reuse this, and I do. Oh wow, look at these! I love those. They are like little paper clips and like aeroplanes and cameras. I love those. Like, those will definitely be staying with me. I'm not sharing those. Is that really bad? I love those. Those are amazing. That's the best bit of the box so far. I'm sorry. I love those. We have two more inks to add to our collections. We have a really nice hot pink, and that looks like a bluey colour. The card says, so many variations, what will you make? And it's a construction guide. So it tells you how to create your mini album. Very helpful. Here is the booklet. We always get this with the kits. So in here will be a welcome page. There will be a contents page. Let's just see what this is. Gold mirror card frames. Okay, so you can't stencil them at all. I was well off. Well, they're still very cool, and I still really like those. And then obviously you have loads of inspiration. There's how to make the mini album. And then there's just loads and loads of inspiration throughout the book. So always helpful to have is what I'm trying to say. And the last thing we have is some card. So we have 2 peach, 2 hot pink. I love the hot pink. 2, I don't know what colour you'd call that, but it's a really beautiful bluey colour. This is actually a very pale pink. I don't know if it's showing up well enough or whether it looks white, but that is a pale pink. And then we have loads and loads of craft. We have 2, 4, 6 pieces of craft card. So that is what has come in this month's Papercraft Society box. I, for one, am really excited to have a mini album kit. As I said during the video, I've just got into making these, and Helen truly is like the queen of mini albums and things like that. So really excited to get started on this. I will try and do a video crafting with this box in my Road to 500 launch, which is a giveaway I'm running, and I will link in the description box of this video in case you wanted to join in. I did ask what kind of videos you guys wanted to see, and some of you said crafting with the Papercraft Society boxes would be really helpful, so I'm going to try and do that more. So I will get my thinking cap on. I'm not sure whether we'll make an album or whether we'll make some cards with it. We will have to see. But that is what's inside. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favourite piece is. If you don't already get these subscription boxes and you would like to, I will leave a sign up code in the description box of the video, and both of us will save £5 off one box. If you do subscribe to these boxes, let me know what your favourite piece of this box is. I really do love the mini album die set, but I still think these little paper clips are my favourite part. I just think they're adorable, and I also really love this paper here. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back soon with more videos. So until then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.